Hi Twitzies! Welcome to another vlog of Twitzy Velvet! Ayan, so for today, we have another box here to unbox. This is actually my Itzy CSI merch. Hindi siya yung lahat. So, nauna actually yung, you'll just check it out. Tsaka No Bad Days, I think. So, let us start. Ayan. Alright. Ayan. So, first, we're gonna... Ayan, alis muna kayo. So, we have, of course, our NBD Polaroid. I will do a separate unboxing for this one. Since, yeah. Since I still have a lot here. So, I will have another video for the unboxing of this No Bad Days. What is this? This is the July. Yeah, this is the July version. Yes, mas nauna siya with the June because I got this from another supplier. So, magkaiba kasi yung supplier ko before for the first half of the year and then for this one. Well, actually, I bought them from both sellers. So, I have 2 sets of subscriptions. Anyway, daming chika. And so, we have the trading cards. And so, in this video, I will show you... Sorry. I will show you yung mga bubuksan ko. Not all, kasi yung iba, it's pre-ordered na sealed. So, I will show you the pulling results later. And then, we also have, this is the behind photo book. And hindi ko siya in-expect na ganito pala yung itsura niya. Ayan, so it's like, merong envelope. Parang yung envelope sa school, and then nasa loob yung contents. I will also open one, but that will be on a separate video. And so for this video, after ko mapakita sa inyo to, I will do the pulling already. Ayan. So this will be on a separate video. Pull it ulit. Ayan. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of that. This 4 is already pre-ordered, so it's all taken, and then the other one is for me, for my tingi. Ayan, so there. Okay, so we'll move on to the pulling of the trading cards. Ayan, so we're gonna start with the pulling. Alright, so we're done opening our sets, our trading card sets. So I am gonna be showing our pulls for each member. Okay? Alright, so for Yeji, we have the 4 Polaroids and then 4 na not Polaroid. Ayan, yung regular. So we are lacking 2 na photo cards. So actually for this pooling, I'm still gonna be trading with my co-sellers since I'm also, for this one, I'm collecting the entire Yeji. So I will need the other 2 for that. And then for Yuna as well. And then because meron din akong ibang buyers na hopefully tingnan natin kung kompleto. Although parang yung sa group kasi medyo konti lang and I have buyers who pulled for that. Anyway, let us proceed with Leah Bells. Alright, so for Leah, we also have 8. 8 lang ba? Tanga. 8 lang ata talaga. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna check. Okay, I checked. Ay, ang syunga ni ate girl. I checked. It's just 8 lang pala. Oh my god. I thought it was 10. Ayan, sorry. Medyo matagal na rin kasi yung pre-order ko for this. It's a CSI. Medyo tagal nila kasi manufacture and then ship out. So, parang 2 months ago na ata to. Ayan, so, I forgot, no, na 8 lang pala. So, I got the whole Yeji pala. Oh my god. So, no need to trade for Yeji. Ayan, so for Leah, we also have the whole set of that. But, I don't have any Leah takers yet. But I'm not sure if this will go for trading or something. Let's see with my other pools. Ayan, so, ang syunga ko talaga. Ay, nako. Anyway. Alright, so for you, Jeners, ayan, sa mga ayan na, so, eto, kanina, if you've noticed, medyo nag-stop ako sa kanya, kasi tinan niyo yung itsura, like, super markado niya. Ayan, oh. I don't know if you can see, kawawa tong card na to. You can see ba? Ayan, oh. Para siyang, yung mangga, na ini-slice mo sa, can you focus, please? Ayan. Anyway, ayaw niya mag-focus. But, ayan, yan. Nakikita niyo na yung marks. Ayan siya. So, marami siyang marks. So, I don't know how I will do with this one. Anyways, ayan. So, this is the damaged one. Super marked. Parang pinaglaruan. Anyway, move on. Ayan, so we also have a complete set for Ryujin as well. So we have the Polaroids and then the normals. So for Ryujin, I have, I think, 1 pull taker for this. So the others will be up for trading or for selling. And so for Cherry, Ayan, so we also have a complete set for Cheryong. Yeah, but relatively, parang si Cheryong yung konti lang. Ayan, from the other members. Si Lia, I think yung pinakamadami kung nakuha. Anyway, ayan, so we move on to my other bias, si Yuna. Ayan, so we also have a complete set for our Bebe Yuna. Ayan, so, hehe, complete ko na agad yung collection ko. Ayan. Thank you so much. Ayan, so for the last one, we still have our group. Ayan. So, for this one, we have a complete one, but I am actually lacking one for this kasi I have two pullers for the group. So, I still need one of this. Ayan, yun lang naman. Yun lang naman. Ayan. So, alright. So, I'm just gonna be fixing it all. I will show you the entire pulls that I got. So I love it because I got the whole set naman. Ayan, it's so pretty. We got the entire designs, ano ba? Or basta the entire photo cards in the Itzy CSI trading cards. Ayan. So we have the complete Yeji, Lia, Ryujin, Cheryong, Yuna from the normal photo cards and then the Polaroids and then the group. Ayan. So, nag-iba-iba lang sila ng quantity but at least we have the whole. Ayan. So, parang first time ko lang na makakompleto ng something. Wow! Makakompleto. Ayan. And it's so many. So, it's so nice. Ayan. So, a lot of this have takers na. Especially me, Char. Ayan, so I'm gonna be taking one set of Yeji and Yuna, and then others will be taken by my pullers, and then the rest will be up for selling. So, it's official, I will not trade anything. Ayan, since isa lang naman yung may kulang, so I think I'll just offer something else na extra. Ayan, so, thank you so much. Ayan, thank you for watching this unboxing video. If you like ayan, I'm so sorry this is like my first unboxing video for a while. I think this is like the first shipment that I got after a very long time and I was really busy the following weeks. Ayan, so thank you so much for watching. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get updated with the latest videos and updates from Itzy Velvet. So, for the other items you've seen sa in-unbox ko kanina, which is the behind photo book and then the, what is the other one? No Bad Days. I will have a separate video of that, so you just need to wait and I will see you on the next video. Bye!